Hello students, this is Bhagyalakshmi, CRT Mathematics, working in KGBV Molkalcheru. Today I will explain about factorization and algebraic identities. Let's start the class. Class 9th, Chapter 2, Polynomials and Factorization. Let's solve some problems using factorization theorem. I will explain what is factors theorem and its states theorem. F of x implies x minus a. If f of x is a polynomial variable of x when it is the polynomial and if it is divided by x minus a. If f of x is a linear polynomial whose degree is greater than or equal to 1 and if it is the linear polynomial of x minus a. Reminder, f of a, it is the remainders theorem. F of x is a 0 of the polynomial x minus a, that is equal to 0, x is equal to a. A is, you can substitute the x place, you will get the f of a is equal to 0. This is the factors theorem. X minus a is called the one of the factors of f of x. X minus a is one of the factors of f of x. Theorem: if p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0. To prove remainder is equal to 0, 10 is divisible by 2. 2 is divisor, 5 is quotient. In division process, r is equal to remainder is equal to 0, 2, 5 factors of dividend. F of x is equal to ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. This is the general form of biquadratic polynomial. When by this polynomial will be two factors, x minus 1, x plus 1. First one, x minus 1. Sum of all coefficients of variables. That is equal to 0. Sum of all coefficients of variables. ఇక్కడ ఏమేం వేరియబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి? A, B, C, D, E. That is equal to A plus, B plus, C plus, D plus E. That is equal to 0. You can observe x minus 1, sum of all coefficients of variables, that is equal to 0. Directly we say that x minus 1 is a factor of that polynomial. Second factor, x plus 1. Sum of coefficients of even powers. Even powers of variables. ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్లో ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? ఈవెన్ పవర్స్ 4, వేరియబుల్ a ప్లస్ 2, ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ వేరియబుల్ c ప్లస్ e means x to the power of 0 value is 1 plus a plus c plus e. Now sum of coefficients of odd powers is b plus d. Therefore a plus c plus e, that is equal to b plus d. These two are equal. A plus c plus e is equal to b plus d. Using this hint, solve the problems. Which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 as a factor? First one, x cube minus x square minus x plus 1. Using hint, sum of coefficients even powers minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 means x to the power of 0. That is equal to 0. Sum of coefficients odd powers x cubed power 1 plus here minus 1 0. Therefore these two are 0. Sum of coefficients of even powers is equal to 0. Sum of coefficients of odd powers is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Second one, x to the power of 4 minus x cube plus x square minus x plus 1. Sum of coefficients even powers 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. Sum of coefficient odd powers x cube minus 1 here minus 1, that is equal to 2. You can observe these two. Sum of coefficients of even powers is equal to 3. Sum of coefficients of odd powers is equal to minus 2. Therefore x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. F of x is equal to 5x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 1, comma g of x is equal to x plus 1 using factors theorem. f of x is equal to 5x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 1. G of x is equal to x plus 1. Here f of x is dividend, g of x divisor. Equating x plus 1, that is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. By substitute the value in f of x, f of minus 1, that is equal to 5 minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 minus 1. 5 minus 1 whole cube means 3 times of 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1. Plus minus 1 into minus 1. 1. Minus into minus plus 5 minus 1. 5 into minus 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1 minus 5 plus 5 plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of 5x cube plus x square minus 5x minus 1. Next topic is algebraic identities. I will explain what is an identity by using one equation. A plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Algebraic equation where a comma b are variables. Let us suppose a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. LHS. LHS means left hand side. That is equal to a value is 2, b value is 1. 2 plus 1 whole square, that is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. 3 whole square, that is equal to 9. RHS. RHS means right hand side. RHS is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A value is 2, b value is 1. 2 whole square plus 1 whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 2 into 1. 2 square means 4 plus 1 square means 1 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 into 1, 4. That is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 4. That is equal to 9. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. First algebraic identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square, that is equal to a plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. Multiplication of product of a binomial. A into a square plus a into b, ab plus b into a, ba plus b into b, b square. A plus b plus b plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. Second algebraic identity, a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third identity, a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Note, a minus b whole square is not equal to a square minus b square. Fourth identity, a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c whole square. This is trinomial. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. These are the four identities. Some more formulas using the hints. I will add this formula. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus a square 2a square plus b square plus b square 2b square plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel. Here 2 is common. 2a square plus b square. Subtract these two formulas. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Subtract. దీని యొక్క గుర్తులు మారుతాయి. ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్. ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ minus a minus b whole square, that is equal to plus a square minus a square cancel, plus b square minus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab 4ab. Therefore a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 of a square plus b square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Learn until 6 identities. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 of a square plus b square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Plus 5 into x plus 2 suitable identity to find the following products. Here degree is 1. X plus a into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, sum of two constants. X plus 5 into x plus 2. Here a value is 5, b value is 2. X square plus 5 plus 2 into x plus A is 5, B is 2. X square plus 5 plus 2, 7x plus 5 into 2, 10. You can multiply x plus 5 into x plus 2. That is equal to x into x, x square plus x into 2, 2x plus 5 into x, 5x plus 5 into 2, 10. That is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. These two are same. X minus 5 into x minus 5. Using second identity, a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. X minus 5 whole square, that is equal to value is x, b value is 5. X, a square means x square plus b, 5 whole square minus 2 into a, x, b, 5. That is equal to x square. 5 square means 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25 minus multiplying the constants 2 into 5, 10x. That is equal to x square minus 10x plus 25. 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2 using third identity. A plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2, that is equal to here a value is 3x, b value is 2. 3x whole square minus 2 whole square. 3x whole square means 2 times of 3x. Okay? 3x into 3x. Multiplying the constants, multiplying variables. 3 into 3, 9. X into x, x square. Minus 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. 101 into 99. Calculate without actual multiplication. This can be written as 101. 100 plus 1. 99. 100 minus 1. Using identity, third identity, a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. A value is 100, 100 whole square minus b value is 1 whole square. 100 squares means 100 into 100, 10,000 minus 1. 10,000 minus 1, that is equal to 9,999. Quick form of identities. A plus b whole cubed is equal to a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. 3 times of a plus b. Product of itself, a plus b whole square into a plus b. A plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab into a plus b. Multiplying this one, a square into a cube plus a square into b, a square b plus b square into a, b square a plus b square into b, b cubed plus 2ab into a, 2a square b plus 2ab into b, 2ab square that is equal to a cube plus a square b plus 2a square b. Total 3a square b plus b square a 2b square a 3a b square plus b cubed, that is equal to a cube plus b cubed plus 3a square b plus 3a b square, or a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. 3ab common, remaining a plus here b. You get the next identity as a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, that is on a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. For more identities, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Fourth identity, a cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Fifth identity, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. You get the next identity as a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, that is on a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. For more identities, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Fourth identity, a cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Fifth identity, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. A plus 3b whole cube in the expanded form. Comparing the given expression x plus y whole cube, that is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Here x value is 2a and y value is 3b. 2a plus 3b whole cube is equal to x is 2a, 2a whole cube plus 3b whole cube plus 3 into 2a into 3b into 2a plus 3b. 2a whole cube means 3 times of 2a. 2a into 2a into 2a. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. A into a square. A square into a cube. Plus 3b whole cube. 3 times of 3b. 27b cube. Plus 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18ab into 2a plus 3b. That is equal to 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 18 2s are 36. A into a square b plus 18 into 3 54 a b into b square. P minus 5 whole cube in the expanded form. Comparing the given expression with x minus y whole cube, that is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. We find that x is equal to 2p, y is equal to 5. Using this identity, 2p minus 5 whole cube, that is equal to x value is 2p. 2p whole cube minus y value is 5. 5 whole cube minus 3 into x 2p y 5 into x 2p minus 5. 2p whole cubed means 3 times of 2p. 2p into 2p into 2p. Multiplying constants. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Multiplying variables. P into p. P square into p. P cube. 8p cube minus 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 125 minus 3 2s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 30p into 2p minus 5. That is equal to 8p cube minus 125 minus 32s are 60. P into p. P square. Minus into minus. Plus 30 into 5. 150 p. That is equal to 8p cube minus 60 p square plus 150 p minus 125.